last left off, we were leaving the little town of Torrin on the Isle of Skye and heading for Fort William.
Glenfinnan Viaduct is a railway viaduct located at the top of Loch Shiel in the West Scottish Highlands.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. We've made it to the Glenfinnan Viaduct.
Yep.
I talked to Alistair, who is the property manager, I guess is what he called it.
I think the unofficial property.
Yeah.
He lives on the grounds, so he kind of manages it.
Yeah, and his house is down just below the viaduct. So you need his permission to fly drones here. And from talking to him, it sounds like there's just a full drone ban. They don't allow drones unless for...
We're not sure if it's him making the drone ban, because before we had read online that you're supposed to talk to him, get permission, pay him $10, whatever, or £10, sorry, and he lets you fly it. Now we asked him and he said there's just no drones, so we don't know if that's the government's ban or if that's Alistair's ban, you know.
Yeah.
But we're not, because he said if you fly the drone I will shoot it down.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's legal. We don't know if that's legal, but we're not going to take that risk.
Nope. Yeah. So, and I get it, like his house is just down below the viaduct, so anytime someone's flying a drone, they get his house in the shots, so.
Yeah. But,
whatever.
Oh well, we're still making the most of it. It's very beautiful up here, and we're going to take some pictures and videos.
Nestled in the rolling hills is a stunning place to view the Jacobite Express. This vintage steam engine was made famous by its role as the Hogwarts Express in the Harry Potter franchise.
Hello again.
Hello.
We just got back to our final Airbnb. Well, just got to our final Airbnb near the town of Fort William. We were able to do the Glenfinnan Viaduct today, which we probably just showed you. Yeah, it was great. We had to change location on there because
the schedule we had in very fine print on the bottom, which we didn't see. There's certain times of the year of when they run certain ways. Anyways, we were on the wrong side, so we had to quickly go over, and it was a whole fiasco. But we ended up getting it, and very happy. It was a good time.
Yeah, it was a great time.
Yeah, we were freezing cold, so that's why we're wet now, because we had to.
We took a nice warm shower to warm up, and now we're just gonna make some dinner and probably veg out, maybe watch some YouTube.
Oh yeah, the Airbnb is on a farm.
Oh yeah.
So they have horses, goats, chickens, sheep, and we already walked around and pet all of them.
That was the first thing we did.
Yeah, I was excited because I love animals. So we went and pet all of them, and now we're just gonna rest like he said, so.
See y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Ooh, pretty horsey.
Yeah, that's your buddy that you're petting before.
You like all the scratchy scratches. Oh my goodness, you like this. Yeah. You like all the scratches. You like all the scratchy scratches. Oh my goodness, yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. Come up here.
Day 11 was our last full day in Scotland, so we decided to take it easy and explore the town of Fort William. We also walked along Cool Beach on Loch Linney to take in the scenery and get some cool views of Ben Nevis.
Day 12. We're just morning.
It's really early. It's like 6:30.
Yeah. We're heading back to Edinburgh today to drop off the car and to catch our flight tomorrow. 'Cause tomorrow's our last day in Scotland. So
Yeah.
sad.
I know. I'm sad too. It's I think maybe like a 3.5-hour drive down there, but we're leaving really early so that way we can stop and take in some of the sights and
Yeah.
whatever else until then. So
Yeah, we're headed down A82.
yeah,
Man, all
That's
the
a
roads
tongue
are tongue
twister.
twisters.
yeah,
Which is supposed to be like one of the most beautiful roads in Scotland.
Yeah.
Like, so
through Glencoe. So
yeah, it goes through Glencoe, which is a nice big pass through a whole bunch of mountains. So hoping to get some nice scenery through there and just have a nice drive.
yeah. Other than that, when we drop off the car, we're pretty much just heading to the hotel to get some rest because we have to get up at like 2 a.m. tomorrow. Yeah, so this might officially be our last vlog for the trip, unless we decide when we wake up tomorrow to do a quick one before we leave, but who knows.
Yeah.
Maybe our Scotland trip's coming to an end. But we'll include the pictures and videos we take from today if the weather is good. Fingers crossed. But yeah,
Bye.
bye. Thank you so much for following along for our 4-part Scotland series.
We had a lot of fun taking this on as a new hobby. Make sure to subscribe to be notified of our next series, which is Iceland.